Hey, I'm Nakeya, and I help beginners build profitable digital businesses from scratch. And in this video, I'll give you the tea on how to build a profitable business in just 60 seconds. Straight talk, no chaser. Have you been dreaming about starting your own business, but every time you try to figure it out, you just end up more confused than when you started? I have been there, scrolling, searching, trying everything on weekends, and still feeling stuck. But listen, I found something that actually changed things for me: digital products. And not just any digital products, legacy builders. Think tiny courses, done for you templates, simple checklists, things you create once and sell over and over again. And the best part? You're never doing it alone. There's live daily mentoring and a whole community holding you up. No more guessing, no more wasted weekends, just a clear, simple path broken down into baby steps that shows you exactly how to start, build, and scale. A clear offer, a simple checkout, a warm welcome, and before I knew it, I had steady, scalable income while still having a life. Now that's living, my friend. If you're ready to stop spinning your wheels and start building something real, click the link in the description right now and grab your free copy of the Roadmap to Digital Success. I'll see you there, friend. Let's build this together.